Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones, specifically the Infinix Hot 40i. We're going to talk about a common issue that might arise: LCD replacement. Let's get started. First off, the Infinix Hot 40i is a fantastic budget-friendly smartphone that offers great value for money. It comes with a 5.5-inch HD display, a powerful 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and a massive 4000 mAh battery. The phone also boasts an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 2-megapixel front camera, making it a great choice for capturing your memories. Whether you're browsing social media, watching videos, or taking pictures, the Infinix Hot 40i is designed to deliver a reliable performance without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about the LCD replacement. The Infinix Hot 40i uses a standard LCD display, which is common in budget-friendly smartphones. The LCD is a flat panel that displays images by controlling the brightness of individual pixels. An LCD can be susceptible to cracks, scratches, or other issues due to drops or impacts, leading to the need for a replacement. If you're experiencing issues with your Infinix Hot 40i's LCD, it's important to know that the LCD is a separate component from the touchscreen. This means that if you're having touch response issues, it could be due to a malfunctioning digitizer, which is responsible for the touch input rather than the LCD itself. If you notice the display flickering, black spots, or discoloration, these are signs that the LCD might require replacement. When replacing the LCD on your Infinix Hot 40i, it's essential to ensure that you're using a genuine replacement part. Third-party or non-genuine parts may be less expensive, but they can lead to further issues like poor display quality, color inconsistencies, or even compromise the overall functionality of your device. Additionally, using non-genuine parts could potentially void your warranty, so always opt for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts when available. Another important step when replacing the LCD is to equip yourself with the right tools. You'll need a set of small screwdrivers, plastic pry tools, and anti-static wrist straps. Proper grounding before working on electronics will help prevent damage from static electricity. In conclusion, the Infinix Hot 40i is a fantastic budget-friendly smartphone that offers excellent value for money. If you're experiencing issues with the LCD, it's important to use a genuine replacement part and follow the correct procedure. Remember, if you're not comfortable with the process, seeking professional help can save you time and avoid complications. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.